Hello my fibre friends, welcome to my crochet nook. I'm Linda and today I have a yarn haul from a company that was, the information was given to me by Barbara, which is Whisper, which are based in Bulgaria. So I thought, oh, I'll have a try and see what their yarn is like. And so that's what I did. I've not got a lot, but I got this parcel. It took about a week to get, a week to 10 days to get here. And yeah, so I'm just going to open it up, excuse the crinkle, and let's see what I purchased. So I got four did I get all baby muffin? Yeah, I got all baby muffin, and they're all tied up nicely in a little bag with some string. So I don't want the bag, so let me just snip it so I can get it in it. Excuse the crinkly. Right, okay, so this is, doesn't say colour, it's Stenley, and there is 1160 metres, and it's 100% acrylic, and it's nice and soft. There are 3 strands to it, and it's a centre pull. Oh look at the little centre pull. It's a flower which I've just taken off, but never mind, I'll just pop it in there. So that is, so it's kind of, if I hold it here, it's kind of a turquoise with the pink and the white. That'll be nice for a baby, and or even doll's clothes or baby clothes, a baby layette. That'd be really nice, because that I do, and it is so soft. So there's that one, and then I got this one, and the number on this is 71602. It's called Baby Muffin, a crochet hook of 2 to 4mm, 30 degree wash. Don't dry and a cool iron, but you can dry clean it. So that's that one. Sorry about this, I didn't realise they came separately wrapped in cellophane bags. I apologise for the crinkle. And this is 90701, and this has got the centre pull as well, and this is just 2 colours, which is the turquoise and the white, and again this is 1160 metres, which is a good amount. That'll make a really nice baby blanket actually, because you can use that for a boy or a girl, couldn't you? So there's them two, and then I just, oh, these are all baby muffins. Maybe even some nice shawls, if I can get into them. This one, now you know I had to get purple, didn't you guys? You just knew I had to buy a purple one. And look at this one. Oh, I like this one. This is 70304. The same, and it is so soft, and it's got the centre pull with the little flower. All of them have got centre pulls, and there's 3 strands to this. So this one is lilac, and then there's kind of a blue, like a very pale denim blue and white. That'll make a nice shawl too. And then this one is, I'm quite pleased, I'm quite impressed with the prices. There's no, I can't remember what I paid, but for the good value for money for the amount that you get. It is all, they are all 100% acrylic. They're called baby muffins, and you can use knitting needles 3.5 to 4.5, which will give an amazing drape on a shawl if you knit a shawl, or even a wearable. Look nice on a wearable. And it's 2 to 4 crochet hook, and this is 71205, and again it's got the centre pull, and as you can see it's 3 strands, and it starts with white and it's blue, and then there's the grey. I just wanted something a bit different. I've not got many greys, so that is my, I just wanted to try them to see what they're like, and when I will do a review on the yarn when I use it. But I think it's beautiful yarn, really is, and it's so soft and squishy. I mean, it look, they're bound quite tight as you can see, but they're so squishy and soft. Really, really like it. And I like the added little 4-leaf clover, which is very nice. So it's www.stenleyyarn.com if you're interested. I will put a link below so you can have a look, and Pleta, I'll put the link below as well for that company. But yeah, on the whole I quite like these. I've got a couple of, you know, the muted colours, but then I got a couple of the quite vibrant colours, and you all know I love turquoise, teal and purple are my favourite colours. So that is all from me for today. Thank you so much for watching, and give me some ideas on what I can use this yarn for. I'd be really interested to see what ideas you come up with. And all that's left for me to say is take care, everybody. Stay safe, but more importantly, be kind to you. Bye for now.